So, annyeonghaseyo guys. So, for today's video, we're going to reveal to you the what's our surprise. Our surprise egg. Sure. You help me. You help me to introduce. Nami the cook kayo ng mga monster guys. You see? Here. Para sa inyo, namin party guys o pinaamin mo for your giveaways yung mga inaanak or this is what someone inside guys. Inside that you get the free bag for your mommy monster and that's nakapasa na. Then 10 kainan guys, 10. Okay? Halang kita mag-UTI. Tama ba na yung next year?